Hello everyone, so today we're quickly detailing another 86. So one of the fellow 86 members brought me his car. Detail, I can already feel this car needs a bit of a clay. I haven't even washed it, but it feels very rough on the paint. So I'm definitely going to clay it and then do the inside vacuum and all that type of stuff. You see there's mine, there's his. It's actually quite cool to do another 86. This one has the front lip and then the side skirts and then the TRD wing. This is actually the wing I considered putting on my car as well, but then I went for the nurse spec wing right over there. Awesome, let's get started. Yeah, so guys, don't expect a massive before and after. This car is like already really clean. Most dirtiest spots are like on the mats and stuff like that in the interior. There's not going to be a massive before and after. Okay, so I was just cleaning here and I noticed that by the looks of it, someone eventually took his door panel off, maybe to fit new speakers or something like that. And I see it wasn't clipped in correctly. So I'm quickly gonna clip it out, check what's wrong and just clip it back in for him. I think the other side is fine, but this one for some reason is not sitting flush. It's supposed to sit like that, not like that. Okay, so what a lot of the times happens here is that thing, this clip, slips off this, and then the moment the person wants to reinstall it, it doesn't want to clip in correctly. I'm going to quickly fix that. I'm going to take it off, put it back on this, clip it in, should be ready to go. There we go, it's not perfect, the clip inside there is a bit on the older side, but it's sitting a bit more flush than what it used to.
Stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever.
Okay, so I finished with the interior vacuum, the boot vacuum, and then I also detailed the engine bay. I'll put in some pictures in the video. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash the car actually. The car is not that dirty actually, but it does have a few scratches. I don't think you can see it on camera actually. A few small scratches like over there. I think you can see it right there. There. So there's a few small marks, but nothing major. So we're going to try and get rid of that with the polish. So since we are going to polish and wax the car, one thing I'm going to do, this is something you're not supposed to do usually if you're just regular washing your car. I'm going to add a bit of sunlight liquid or detergent just in the shampoo. The reason why I'm doing that is stuff like that can usually strip waxes, so anything old waxes and stuff like that you want off the car before you apply like new polish or new wax on the car. So that's one thing I'm going to do. I'm going to have a bit of Sunlight liquid in the foam cannon and then a little bit in the bucket actually as well while washing.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your
So this is a clear example of a car that needs a clay. I must say the paint is actually not in bad condition. It has been polished possibly a while back. On camera it looks amazing. There's a few imperfections. Like, try and focus here. Yeah, for some reason the camera doesn't pick it up. But anyway, here's a way you can immediately tell if paint needs clay. Check here, and you listen when I run my hand over it. Can immediately feel it needs a clay. I don't think you can pick it up on camera. There's tiny contaminants there. There. So yeah, it's difficult to pick it up, especially on the roof as well. Yeah, you can immediately hear it's definitely contaminated. So I'm gonna clay the whole car now. Okay, so I'm finished claying the paint. Paint is already looking a bit better. I'm gonna do the polish, but to give you an idea how smooth this paint is now, it's unbelievable smooth. Okay, I'm not gonna use that one again. I'm gonna wash it now. Okay, this car is gonna look amazing when it's done. I can already feel a good reflection coming on it. Just check there. Just have a look there. Not even been polished or waxed yet. Amazing.
Through the times we had, I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out.
Okay, so after, well, I started at 9, it's just before 5 now. I've actually finally finished. I must say the results, not bad. I must say I'm impressed with this product from Turtle Wax. really came out nice. Bonnet I did 2 passes on, because it is the part that you actually see the most if there is any scratches. I waxed the wheels. They're difficult to see in the sunlight now. They are shining nice. Put some tire shine on. Okay, yes, what I almost forgot, I'm gonna add a picture in here. I restored the headlights with some Turtle Wax products. Made everything black, also with some Turtle Wax products. Yeah, you should be able to see the shine on the legs a bit more. Oh, nice. So guys, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Until the next one. Cheers.